Hello guys, this is an all new episode of Viner Z Omar, and today I'm going to be exploding pretty much all of this. It's going to make a big dent in the ground, and also put lots of it underground so it'll even make it a bigger crate. So here I go. Sorry about all the lag, guys. The computer's really bad and slow. Wow, I made all of this. Now I guess I exploded a dungeon. Looks like there's a dungeon right here, because that's the mossy rock. Yeah, there's a dungeon around here. I wish I could get the chest, but I can't. I exploded everything. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Please subscribe, like, comment for new videos. So yeah, bye.